Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy hard candy. First, gather your ingredients: a sugar substitute, water, and flavorings. You'll need about 1 cup of sweetener and 1/4 cup of water. Select natural extracts like lemon or peppermint. Prepare your molds or a parchment-lined baking sheet before you begin cooking. This ensures a smooth process. Next, combine your chosen sugar substitute and water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sweetener dissolves completely. Insert a candy thermometer and continue cooking without stirring until the temperature reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is crucial for achieving the hard crack stage, ensuring your candy sets properly. Once the mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully stir in your desired flavor extract and any natural food coloring. Work quickly, as the mixture will begin to set. Pour the hot liquid into your prepared silicone molds or onto a greased, parchment-lined baking sheet. Be cautious, as the candy is extremely hot. Let your hard candy cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 30 minutes, or until fully hardened. Once firm, you can easily break it into smaller pieces if poured onto a sheet, or pop them out of molds. Store your finished healthy hard candy in an airtight container at room temperature. Enjoy your homemade, guilt-free treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.